Swallow Aircraft, went bankrupt. Mellendick, whose money helped drive Wichita's aggressive entry into aviation, died penniless. Lloyd Stearman and Walter Beach took their ideas for a metal-framed plane and recruited Clyde Cessna to join them. In 1925, they launched Travel Air. It became an industry titan almost overnight. A Travel Air 5000 won the famous Dole race from California to Hawaii in 1927. That same year, Charles Lindbergh came calling, looking for a plane that could carry him across the Atlantic. Walter Beach, eyeing a large backlog of airplane orders, turned him down. Just think, instead of the Spirit of St. Louis, Lindbergh's plane could have been the Spirit of Wichita. Travel Air designed its racing aircraft in such top secrecy, the press dubbed them mystery ships. They dominated the racing circuit for years. When Travel Air unveiled its 194-mile-an-hour monoplane at the National Air Races, crowds swarmed. It was the beginning of the end of the biplane era. Three strong personalities under one roof. How long could it last? Stearman left first, then Cessna, and finally Beach. In 1929, Curtiss Wright bought Travel Air, but the company that ruled the 1920s was eventually brought down by the Great Depression. Clyde Cessna and Walter Beach remained lifelong friends, but the two had a fundamental difference of opinion. Beach believed the future was biplanes, 2 sets of wings. Cessna wanted to build planes with 1 set. In 1932, at the height of the Depression, Walter Beach and his new bride, Olive Ann Meller Beach, established Beach Aircraft and made a go of it. It's said that Walter Beach could fly a barn door and sell it too. True to his convictions, they built the definitive biplane, the Stagger Wing, a true business aircraft, and to some, the most beautiful plane to ever grace the skies. The Beaches developed other aircraft and were well positioned to become major players in World War II and beyond. The highly versatile Beechcraft King Air, for example, has been in continuous production since its launch in 1964, outselling all turboprop competitors combined. In 1927, Cessna started a company bearing his name. His light, economical monoplanes, including Model A and Model AW, were design and engineering successes. But they couldn't fly over the Depression. He was forced to shut down production in